Have you ever wondered why almost every bathtub has smooth, curved sides instead of sharp corners? It might seem like nothing more than a design choice, but those graceful curves actually have a fascinating story behind them. They blend centuries of history, engineering, comfort, and safety into one everyday object that most of us rarely think about. So why are bathtubs curved? Let's explore right here on History of Simple Things. The story begins long before modern plumbing. Thousands of years ago, civilizations such as the ancient Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans valued bathing not only for cleanliness but also for relaxation and social life. Early tubs were carved from stone, hammered from copper, or crafted from wood. Many of these primitive tubs were surprisingly rounded because the materials themselves encouraged curved shapes. A hollowed-out tree trunk naturally had curved walls, while hammered metal sheets could be bent into smooth forms far more easily than sharp angles. Even carved stone basins often featured rounded interiors, because removing material evenly was easier than creating perfect corners with ancient tools. As bathtub manufacturing evolved during the 18th and 19th centuries, cast iron tubs coated with porcelain enamel became popular. Manufacturers discovered that curved molds were stronger, easier to produce, and less likely to crack during casting. By the time indoor plumbing became common in the early 20th century, the familiar curved bathtub had become the standard, combining centuries of practical experience with advances in industrial manufacturing. One of the biggest reasons bathtubs are curved is simple comfort. The human body is made almost entirely of curves rather than straight lines. Our backs, shoulders, hips, and legs naturally rest more comfortably against rounded surfaces than flat walls meeting at right angles. Imagine sitting in a perfectly square box filled with water. The hard corners would press against your body, creating uncomfortable pressure points. A curved bathtub gently supports your body instead, allowing you to lean back and relax without constantly shifting your position. Designers often study ergonomics, the science of designing products that fit the human body, and curved tubs consistently provide better support for people of different shapes and sizes. That's why even luxury soaking tubs often exaggerate these curves to create an even more relaxing experience. Curved walls also help water behave more efficiently. Water naturally flows along smooth surfaces, while sharp corners create areas where water becomes trapped. If bathtubs had square interiors, soap residue, dirt, body oils, and mineral deposits would accumulate much more easily in the corners. Rounded surfaces encourage water to circulate and drain more effectively, washing away much of the residue each time the tub is emptied. This makes cleaning easier and helps reduce mold, mildew, and bacteria buildup. Even though regular cleaning is still necessary, the curved design minimizes those difficult-to-reach corners that would otherwise require much more scrubbing. Strength is another important advantage of curved construction. Engineers have long known that curved shapes distribute pressure more evenly than flat surfaces with sharp angles. This principle appears everywhere in architecture and engineering, from arches and domes to airplane fuselages and submarine hulls. When a bathtub is filled, hundreds of pounds of water press outward against its walls. Add the weight of a person, and the stress becomes even greater. Curved walls spread these forces evenly across the structure instead of concentrating them at vulnerable corners where cracks could eventually develop. This allows manufacturers to build tubs that are both durable and relatively lightweight, using less material while maintaining excellent strength. Safety also plays a major role. Bathrooms are among the most accident-prone rooms in a home because water makes surfaces slippery. Sharp interior corners would increase the risk of bumps, bruises, and injuries if someone slipped while entering, exiting, or moving inside the tub. Rounded edges are far more forgiving during accidental contact. Even the rim around most bathtubs is gently rounded rather than squared off, reducing the chance of painful impacts. For children, older adults, and anyone with limited mobility, these subtle curves make the bathing experience safer without most people ever noticing the thoughtful engineering behind them. Manufacturing efficiency has also influenced bathtub design. Modern tubs are commonly made from acrylic, fiberglass, porcelain-coated steel, cast iron, or composite materials. Many of these materials are formed using molds or vacuum-forming processes that naturally produce smooth curves. Creating sharp interior corners is not only more difficult but also increases the likelihood of weak spots, trapped air bubbles, uneven thickness, or defects during production. Rounded molds allow materials to flow evenly, cool consistently, and release from the mold more easily. This improves quality while reducing manufacturing costs, making curved bathtubs both practical and affordable for millions of households. So the next time you sink into a warm bath, take a moment to appreciate those smooth, curved walls surrounding you. They're not simply there to make the tub look attractive. They represent thousands of years of human innovation, combining ancient craftsmanship with modern engineering to create something remarkably efficient. From improving comfort and making cleaning easier to increasing durability and enhancing safety, every curve serves a purpose. It's a perfect reminder that even the simplest objects in our homes often hide an extraordinary story, one that's been shaped, quite literally, by the curves of history. Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of simple things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories woven through the smallest details.